Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm recreating this Negin Mirsalehi inspired curl. This is her famous hairstyle that everybody is in love with, and a couple of months ago she showed us like a routine on how she curled her hair, but it wasn't that famous curl that she does. I'm actually in love with her hair, and anyways, I just got the Zala extensions, so I thought I would do a review and a hairstyle at the same time, just because there's so many Zala extensions hair videos here on YouTube, so I thought I'd switch it up a bit. So I'd show you guys how I style the hair extensions, like the famous Negin curls. Anyways, I hope you guys like what I came up with. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, you guys, and like this video. So yeah, let's jump into the hair tutorial. Alright guys, so the extensions I got are from Zala. I'm pretty sure you have seen a lot of videos on these hair extensions. They were very expensive, you guys, and I bought them before the whole virus going on. So if I would have known that the whole world was going to be in a pandemic, I don't think I would have purchased these extensions anyways. So I got the color Champagne. These are the 20-inch extensions, 220 grams, and I got the 9-piece, and I also got the seamless ones. As you guys can see, the band is very thin, so it's not that fabric, and it's less bulky, so it won't be as bulky on your head. So I'm not going to be applying the 9-piece. I think I'm just going for maybe 5, and then I'll style my hair. So I'm going to put these on and then I'll be right back. Okay you guys, so I have the extensions on. So I really have thin hair around the crown, so I don't apply anything here on top, otherwise you could totally see the band. So I kind of put it low here, as you guys can see, and I ended up just putting 1, 2, 3. So honestly, I think I could have bought the 5-piece one instead of the 9-piece one, because it's just way too much. You guys probably saw Negin's video, and she kind of showed how she does her hair. So she does it in 3 parts. So I'm going to do the same. So for these curls, I'm going to use a 1-inch curler because I'm going to be working with bigger sections. A smaller curler won't make my curls too tight because I'm going to be working with bigger sections. So I always use a glove, you guys, and I actually have like this wool glove. I was at my parents' and I stayed for a week with them, and I lost my glove and I couldn't find it. And I mean, when I go to my mom's, I bring like 3 duffel bags because I just need my things, and so I thought I just misplaced my glove, and I was so sad. And then I went back like a couple weeks later and I found it in a closet, and where my dad stores all of his handyman things, like tools. So I guess he used my glove to, I don't know, fix something or whatever. And I told my mom to start laughing. And I mean, it has a pink stripe. So I mean, it's not like a regular glove that you can use to, I don't know, garden. You know how they're like with like a material, like a fabric material, those gardening gloves. Anyways, I think maybe he thought that was what it was, but I'm like, and I just saw it, I was like, Dad. Okay, so what you want to do is grab medium sections of hair. If I were to curl this, you guys, you see how it's like too fanned out? It would be a mess. So I'm going to grab a different section. Alright, so this is about the right size. So I like to start at the root, as you guys can see. Then you guys see how my fingers are facing outwards. So what I like to do is just twist then push it, twist inwards my fingers. You see, my fingers are outwards. I twist them inwards, and then I twist my hair around the barrel. Again, twist. And I like to hold it for about 30 seconds. And then I release the curl onto my hand and I let it cool down for a few seconds. If you're in a rush, you can just grab like a piece of cardboard or anything to cool it down faster. And there you go. And then you have that beautiful tight curl. So you're gonna leave it like that for now. Don't touch it. And the next curl I'm grabbing, I am going to curl towards my face instead of away. So as you guys can see, my fingers are inward, so I'm going to twist outwards and then turn. Okay, so I release the curl, so towards the root, twist, 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 turn, twist, and hold. Alrighty, and there we have, we're getting that beautiful bouncy tight curls that she has. Alright, so I'm just gonna do this side real quick. So same thing, twist, 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 release. So I don't want to, I don't apply any, oh, I've got some makeup on here. I don't apply any products to the hair extensions. I don't know why, I just feel that it ruins them, so I just don't add any hairspray or hair oil. So inward, you guys, twist outwards, outwards, and there you go. Oops. There we go. So I'm gonna put this back. So same thing, you guys. Okay, you guys see? All right, twist hand, turn. All right, twist, turn, twist, turn, twist, turn, twist, and turn. And there we go. See how beautiful that is? So I'm going to show you one more time and then I'm just going to speed up the process. I twist outwards, twist outwards, all right, twist, and there we go. My lash is coming off, you guys. Look at that. That is the worst. This is the worst glue ever. This one right here from Kiss. It's the worst glue ever. It's a little wonky, but it's okay. Alright guys, I am back, and this is when we need to touch up some areas because some areas need some adjusting. So this is how it looks like, you guys. The only thing that I'm not happy about is this top area, so I'm gonna try to fix that right now, but it looks beautiful. This is too fanned out, so I'm gonna try to make it less bulky. All right, do this one as well, but I'm gonna grab some of this. Go. I'm gonna fix this one here. So basically what I'm doing is just making everything less bulky. So I'm just grabbing random sections of hair. Actually, you know what? I think I could take this whole section here. Try this. Alright guys, so this is the final result, and I love this hairstyle, you guys. It's a tight curl, but I don't know, I love it. Maybe for some it could look a little bit too much, but yeah, so this is it, the Negin inspired curls. And as I told you, it's super simple. You just have to twist your, why do I have ankle in my head? Your wrist, and then alternate the curl, so towards your face, away from your face, and try to grab medium sections, not too fan out, so try to keep the sections very tight. And yeah, so this is it. This is it, you guys. So I hope you liked this video. If you guys want other hair tutorials with this, with these extensions, please let me know. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Mwah.